Hey everyone, welcome to another video from Destinations by Del Castillo. Today we are at the Element Hotel in downtown Philadelphia, and we are in an executive corner king room. This happens to be room 2601, so we are on the 26th floor, and this is an extremely good location if you're touring downtown Philly. Sorry about the glare, the sun's setting, but here is the view, which is pretty spectacular, minus the glare. Okay, so I did not even realize that the Element offers rooms with kitchens. So there's where we just came in, but yeah, full kitchen for a hotel room. And that's your closet with the safe in it. This room happens to join with 2602. So, I mean, if you're staying here and you want the two rooms, it's kind of nice to know. Very clean, very simple, kind of zen. They do have a complimentary happy hour from, I think they said 5 to 7, or maybe 5:30 to 7:30. You get 2 complimentary glasses of wine and then some hors d'oeuvres, which is nice. Okay, so anyway, there you have it. The executive corner king room at the Element in downtown Philadelphia. Happy travels, and thanks for watching another video by Destinations by Del Castillo, and please like and subscribe.